students, now we are going to see about the square root, how to find a square root by prime factorization method. I will tell you step by step. First, what is the meaning of prime? The meaning of prime is, if you take the numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, these are the numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself. Those numbers, etc., we are having lot of numbers and those numbers are called prime numbers. It will be having only exactly 2 divisors. So, using these numbers only we are going to find the factors. First, what I am going to do is, I am going to take the number 2. Now, I am going to divide and see. Since they are telling you to find by prime factorization number, I am starting from 2. First, I am going to check whether it is dividing by 2. See here students, 2 7s are 14, 0, 4, 2 2s are 4. So, what is the answer you are getting here? 72. Again, I am going to try by 2 table. How I am identifying here is by this particular calculation. If the ending number is divisible by 2 means automatically the number will be divided by 2. 72, 2, 2 3s are 6. 2 6 are 12. So, what is the answer you are getting here? 36. Again, you can do by 2 table. Again, I am going to try by 2 table, or if you want, you can try by 3 table. Maximum, once if you are completing by 2 table, you are going to go for the next one. That will be the easiest one, students. 36. I am going to try by 2 table. So, what is the answer you are going to get? 2 1s are 2, 1, 2 8s are 16. So, what is the answer I am getting here? 18. So, 2 9s are 18. Now, this number 9 will not be divided by 2 table. I am going to go for 3 table. And 3 is a prime number. 3 3s are 9. Again, if you bring here 3, if I am going to bring it out means 1. So, this is the end of the prime factorization. Now, how to find the square root of 144? Just see students how I am going to do. Now, if you look at here, what I am going to do is square root. Since they are asking you, the symbol for square root is this one. I am going to find the square root of 144, and what is the number I am writing here? How many times 2 is repeated? 4 times. 3 is repeated 2 times. So, I am going to write all those numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now, I will tell you the concept of square root. So, what is the main idea of square root? Inside square root, if you are going to have 2 numbers same, means I can write it as A. For example, if you are going to have like this, root 2 into 2 means I can write it as 2. Root 3 into 3 means I can write it as 3. Root 4 into 4 means I can write it as 4. In general, I am telling you the idea. So, just keep this as your formula, students. So, y means you are taking only 2 numbers. Since we are finding square root, we are going to take only 2 numbers. If you are going to find cube root means you will be finding using 3 numbers. So, what I am going to do is, I am going to underline, just I am going to see how many times it is repeated. 2 times I am going to pair. This is one set, this is another set, and this is the third set. Now, see students, everything is inside the square root. So, root of 2 into 2 means I am going to take it as out 2 into here 2 into 3. If you multiply, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So, therefore, square root of 144 is 12, and this is the answer. Next, we are going to take 256. If you see this number 256, I want to find the square root. That is why I am putting this symbol here, students. By what method I am going to find the square root? I am going to find by prime factorization method. So, this is the way of doing the sum. If you see by the side, you will be having only the prime numbers. Like normal factorization, like a normal prime factor method, we are going to use here. The same thing only we are telling here as prime factorization method. You are going to find the factors, students. Those values in the side you are going to write here. I am going to join 2, 2. That is why I have just underlined in blue pen. After underlining, again I will repeat, root of 2 into 2 means equal to 2. That is why from this I am taking 1 2 outside. Here 1 2. Here and here. How many times I am having 2 here? 4 times. Multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. And this is the answer. Now how to check this answer is correct or not? Easy way of checking whether 16 is a correct answer or not. You can multiply and see again. 16 into 16. 2 times if you multiply 16 means you have to get the question as 256. In this way we can find it out whether our answer is correct or wrong. Coming to the third sum. If you see the third sum, 784, same method, you are going to find the prime factorization method. Put it inside the square root. Once you pair like this, the square root will be removed. While you are writing here, this place is important, students. Please don't put the square root. I am coming out from the square root. So in this way, 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28. So I am getting the answer as 28. If you want, you can check and see. 28 into 28 means you will get the answer as 784. The next sum, 1156. 1156. Find the factors, and 289 is an important number. It goes only by 17 table. 17 into 17 you will get the value as 289. Find the factors, that is you are going to find using prime factorization method. Find the square root. The final answer is going to be 34. Next we are going to find the square root using long division method. Students, now we are going to find the square root by long division method. First one we are doing by prime factorization method. Now we are going to find the square root by long division method. I am going to take this number. Miss, why this number? Why can't I do in prime factorization? Definitely you can do by prime factorization method. Now I am going to take this number and I am going to work out and show you by long division method. Count how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. I will tell you how to do the sum, students. Take the last 2 digit. I am going to put a bar line here for 6 and 4. Coming here for 1 and 7, I am going to put a bar line. So how to put this line? This is called a bar line. I am going to take 2 numbers. From the last, I am going to take 2 numbers. I am going to put a bar line. Now just see what is the first pair. I am having the number as 17. I am having the number as 17. Now we are going to come to this place. Since I am finding square root, I am going to take only these pair of numbers. 17. Just see, I am not getting 17, but nearest to 17 is 16. 4 4s are 16. So I am going to write like this. 4 4s are 16. Subtract the number. If you see here, if you subtract, what is answer? 1 minus 1, 0. 7 minus 6, you will get the value as 1. And bring this 64 down. This is not a division, students. This is a long division method for finding the square root. So this is a way of doing the sum. 164. Now just take time to do the sum. Now what I am going to do here, the next step is going to be very important. What is the number I am getting here? I am getting a number as 4. Whatever number it is. Now at present I am having the number as 4. Whatever number you are going to get by the side, you are going to multiply by 2. And that is the procedure we are going to do in this long division method. 4 into 2, what is the answer? I am going to get the answer as 8. 8. I am leaving a space near to 8. I am just leaving a space. Why I am leaving a space? I will tell you now. Now just see here. What is the number I am having? 8. I am going to check like this. 8. 1 into 1 means what is the value? 81. 8. 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 8 2s are 16. Now I am getting the answer as 164. This is the way of calculating the number. That is why I am leaving the space here. 82. 82 into 82. Not like that. 82 into 2. That is 82 into 2. I am getting the answer as 164. So in this place I am going to write it as 2. So this number becomes as 82 into 2. So what is the answer I am getting here? 164. So the remainder is 0. Therefore, the square root of 1764 is 42, and this is the answer, students. Now we are going to find the square root by long division method, students. That is, for this particular number we are going to find. From the last I am going to pair the number. So 25 I am taking it as one number, 10, and 1 is remaining as a single digit, no problem. So how many bar lines I am having here? 3 bar lines. Let it be. What is the first one? First pair, I am not having it as pair. First one is I am having it as 1. So 1 means 1. If you subtract, what is the value? 1 minus 1, 0. I am not going to write the 0 in front. Directly I am going to bring the number 10 down. Next, what I am going to do is, by the side, you are going to go for the side. What I told you, circle this number. Whatever number I am getting, I am going to multiply by 2. So here I am going to write it as 2. I am leaving a space here, students. Now just see here, 21 into 1 means I am getting the value as 21. So this number is 10, but I am getting it as 21. 21 into 1 means 21. So it is more than 10. In this place, what can I do is, I can take an option. I can take a value 0 into 0. But I didn't tell you in the before itself. If necessary, we can use this way. 20 0 into 0 means, what is the meaning here, students? 0. So minus 0 means what is the value? 10 minus 0 means you will get the value as 10. Bring this 25 down. And whatever number you are going to get in this place also, you are going to multiply by, take this number, 0 into 2 means you will get the value as 0. So 0 into 0, 0. Now I am just leaving a space in this place. Now just see here, students, 21 into 201 into 1 means 201. Similarly, 202 into 2, what is the value? 404. Now 205 into 5. Let me try this one. 5 5s are 25. 5 into 0, 0, plus 2, 2. So I am getting the values. 5 2s are 10. So what is the answer I am getting here? 5. What is the answer I am getting here, students? 1025. See, if I subtract, what is the answer? 0. So therefore, square root of 11025 is equal to 105 is the answer. Students, now we are going to find the cube root of the following numbers. The first one I have done was square root. I have done using two methods, that is prime factorization method and long division method. Here I am going to use only prime factorization method, that is I am going to find the factors, prime factors. Cube root, what is the meaning of cube? Please keep this in your mind. Cube means 3. You are going to keep this in your mind, cube root. What I am going to do is, I am going to give you an example. Cube root, same square root symbol, but by the side I will be writing it as 3. This is the meaning of cube root. I am just going to give you a formula like this. Cube root of, if the number repeated 3 times, a into a means I can write it as 1 time as a without cube root. So keep this as a formula. Now what is the question they are asking you? Find the cube root of 24 into 36 into 80 into 25. I want to find the cube root of this following number. So cube root, this is the meaning of cube root, 24 into 36 into 80 into 25. Now before finding the cube root, what I am going to do is, they will not tell you to find the factors. We have to find the factors. So what I am going to do is, for each number 24, 36, 80 and 25, I am finding the factors, students. Just see here how I am going to write now. Cube root 24, what is the value I am getting here? 3 times 2 into 3, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Coming to 36. 36, what is the value I am having here? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Coming here, For this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 5. And similarly here, 5 into 5. Just extend this one. Just I am getting it as long. Now I am going to find 3 times. I am not going to arrange or do anything here, students. First, whatever value is near, 3 times. Just see here, 3 times repeated. 3 times I am getting 2. We can arrange it later on. Just see here, 3 times I am getting here 2. And here 3 times I am getting it as 5. So first those values you are going to take it out first. So it will be easy for you to do the calculation. So what is the value? From this I am taking 1, 2 outside. 2 into here 2 into 5. I am taking it out. The remaining I am going to write inside the cube root. What is the value I am going to getting here, students? Just I will write and show you. 3 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2. So this is a value. Without underlining, those values I have written here. Just for your understanding, in one step itself we can complete, but I am writing like this. The remaining why I have taken it out means 3 times if it is repeated means if in this way I am taking it out. So this way I am taking it out. Just see here, students. 2 2s of just I will write it as it is. 2 into 2 into 5. Let it be as it is. Here I am going to arrange the number, that is 3 into 3 into 3, that is cube root. 2 into 2 into 2. Now 3 times I am getting the value. So 2 into 2 into 5 into, from this I am going to take 1 3 outside, and from this I am going to take 1 2 outside. Now multiply and see. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 20 into 3, 60, 60 into 2, you will get the value as 120, and this is the final answer, students. Next question, find the cube root of 729 and 6859 by prime factorization. We are going to find separately for 729 and 6859, students. 729, you are going to find the prime factors. So in this way I am getting the prime factorization. What I am going to do is I want to find the cube root. So this is a way of writing the cube root. Writing the square root symbol side, if you write 3 means it becomes as cube root. I am writing the question inside. Just write the cube root here, 3. What I am going to do here, students, just check how many times 3 I am having. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times I am having here. So you are going to write those values 6 times. 6 times I am writing here. After writing, underline 3 times. 3 I am pairing. So from this I am going to take it out from the cube root, that is 3 into 3. How I am getting this 3 into 3 is from this place I am taking 1 3 outside, and from this place I am taking another 3 outside. This is the method. And what is the answer I am getting here? 3 3s are 9. Now how to check whether this answer is correct or not? What is the way of checking is, what is the answer I am getting here? 9. Go to the rough work, multiply the 9 3 times. 9 into 9 into 9, 9 9s are 81. 81 into 9, you will get the answer as 729. Similarly, coming for the next sum. Next sum is really an important sum. Before seeing the next sum, we should be thorough with prime numbers. What is the meaning of prime numbers? Prime numbers means starting from 2. Prime numbers means the number which is divisible by 1 and itself. 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12 is a composite number. 13, 14, 15, 16 composite. 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, all these numbers are composite, and 23, it goes on like this. I am checking all these numbers, students. Finally, when I am dividing my 19 table, I am getting this value. So in this way only I am checking the values. I am going to divide by all these prime numbers. After checking, I will be getting this value. So 7, you will be getting this value, students. Now just see here. What I am going to do is, now I am going to find the cube root. So this is a way of finding the cube root. How many times I am getting 19 here? 19 into 19 into 19. Cube root, write it here. How many times 19 is repeated? 3 times. From this I am going to take 1 outside, means 19, and this is the answer, students. And in this class we have completed square root and cube root, how to find the square root and cube root of the given number. I want you to take down all these sums in your classwork notes, students. Understand the concept and then do the sums. Thank you.